Hello there! I'm Larry, the Library Gnome, and this is Storytime Online. I'm making Thanksgiving dinner for all my family and friends. But first, I need to get a few things from the shop. A is for apples to make apple pie. B is for butter, so the bread's not dry. C is for cranberries, 'cause they're so sweet. D is for dressing, so the salad's complete. E is for eggs to be boiled and devilled. F is for flour, which will have to be levelled. G is for gravy for the potatoes I'll mash. H is for hummus, always a huge smash. I is for ice cream to serve with the pie. J is for jam for the freshly baked rye. K is for kale to add to the salad. L is for lettuce to make the salad valid. M is for mushrooms, 'cause we like 'em so much. N is for nutmeg for that warm, spicy touch. O is for okra to be fried as a treat. P is for potatoes to be boiled and beat. Q is for queso for the chips on the list. R is for rolls that are as big as my fist. S is for stuffing, a Thanksgiving must. T is for tomatoes which will be cut. U is for unsweetened corn from a can. V is for veggie chips from my favourite brand. W is for watermelon cut into slices. X is for chocolate with all of its spices. Y is for yams to be candied with sugar. Z is for zucchini roasted on a skewer. There, that should do it. You know, there's one thing on my list that I'm really excited to try. It's called chocolatl, and it's a spicy hot chocolate drink that the ancient Mayan and Aztec people used to make. Do you want to learn how to make it? You'll need a grown-up to help you. All right, let's get started. First, we need to gather our ingredients. We'll need 2 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/8 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 ounce of bittersweet chocolate. Now we warm the milk, cocoa powder, sugar, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and chili powder in a pan over medium heat. Whisk in the bittersweet chocolate until completely melted. Allow the mixture to come close to a boil, then turn off the stove and set the pan aside for about 8 to 10 minutes. Finally, pour yourself a cup and enjoy. Yum! That's delicious! There are so many things that I'm thankful for this Thanksgiving. And I'm especially thankful for all the fun you and I have had over the years. You make this old gnome feel young again. I'm also thankful for this great book. It's called Thanks for Thanksgiving, written by Julie Marks and illustrated by Doris Barrette. Thanks for Thanksgiving, for turkey and pie. Thank you for fall and gold leaves floating by. Thank you for school. I love to feel smart. Thank you for music and dancing and art. Thank you for play dates, for swings and for slides. Thank you for hopscotch and piggyback rides. Thanks for sweet puppies and soft furry cats. Thank you for dress up, red shoes and big hats. Thanks for umbrellas, for rain boots and puddles. Thank you for mommy and warm, cozy cuddles. Thank you for daddy and rides on a sled. Thank you for kisses and tucks into bed. Thanks for the moon and the stars up above. But most of all, thanks for the family I love. I spread my tail and walk like this. My daily corn I would not miss. And when I talk, I sound like this. What am I? That's right, I'm a turkey. Wishing you a Thanksgiving as special as you are. Thank you for the positive impact you've had on my life and for every moment we've shared together. If you haven't already, like this video, and if you're new here, subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Until next time.
See you later, alligator, out in the wild, crocodile, give a hug, a ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, sweet baboon, out the door, dinosaur. Take care, polar bear, love goodbye, butterfly, goodbye.